How to add a new email address to Skrill. Looking for a quick and easy way to add a new email address to Skrill? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps without any confusion, so let's get started. This change must be completed in a web browser, not in the mobile app. Sign in to Skrill, open Settings, choose Personal Details, and select Email Address. Enter the new address carefully and submit it. Skrill will send a verification message to that address. Open the email and click the verification link within 30 minutes. Then return to the email address page and confirm that the new address is shown as verified. If you added it earlier but never verified it, click Verify beside that address to request another message. Adding a secondary email does not automatically replace your login email. Only click Make Primary if you intentionally want the new address to become the main one. That separate step requires a 6-digit confirmation code. If no message arrives, check Spam, Junk, and Deleted folders before requesting a new link. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.